This is a lifetime of work. It's the heritage. And the custodianship of that farm.
One of the things that's been very clear, especially when we took evidence from with the Northern Ireland Select Committee yesterday, that this is having a huge impact on the well-being of our agricultural communities. I was just wondering what measures you have noticed. What have you noticed about the concerns of farmers and the increase in the concerns? Is it impacting on their mental health? Tom?
I mean, it's very clear. The examples that I'm being sent through are often from what I would say middle-aged farmers concerned about their parents or parent that doesn't believe they have 7 years able to plan, and the awful, unacceptable position that those individuals have been put in. Because somebody said earlier on they haven't taken advice. That's completely wrong. A lot of these people have spent the very best money on tax planning advice, and until the Chancellor sat down, the correct advice was to keep the farm until death. Now they don't have any way to plan through that, and yet they've given everything to producing the food for this country in that period post-Second World War. They really deserve a lot more respect than they have been given by the changes that are proposed. And I am going to talk about the most severe human impacts, which we believe could end up being triggered by this, which is that those people who genuinely are either in ill health or don't believe that they are going to be able to live for 7 years may well decide that they shouldn't be here on April 26. Now, no policy should ever be published that has that unintended side effect. Now, what I'm being told by some people is, well, money doesn't trigger this. And I may agree with them that money doesn't trigger it, but it's not money. This is a lifetime of work. It's the heritage. And the custodianship of that farm.